Sorry guys about that. The phone didn't cooperate. But I am on the hunt for that Ford Ranger. I was so close to it because I know it's around here somewhere. And I have filmed this one before. Yeah, this is the holy spray paint. Have fun. Whoever this person was, and they weren't happy with you at all. Just some choice words on it. And there's that Ranger, the one I've been hunting on. And Dodge Charger, older one. Now the story on this Ranger, from what I know, I guess the customer took it out for a test drive and smacked it up. It is a 2019 Ford Ranger. It's an XLT package, and it only has 6,300 miles. And here it is. I looked at this once before. They said that it has frame damage, and as you can see, the tie rod has been popped out of it. But yeah, this is a brand new 2019 Ford Ranger. Here is the mileage. That's it. This truck I would not mind having for myself. Yeah, I mean, that hurt too. Yeah, smells nice and brand new. I like this truck a lot. I like these mid-size trucks. They get better gas mileage than the large ones. A lot of guys like the large ones. Not liking the real little ones. This is a mid-size truck. This I do like. And there you can see it. There's the mileage. Man. Actually, you know what? I'll pop the hood so you guys can see how new it is. I'm sure there's like some kind of cover that goes on that, but you can tell if this is a brand new truck. Or maybe there is no cover. You think they would have a cover for that. I'm sure they do, but where one, two, who the heck knows? Because you can see where it's screwed down. Now, this is a brand new truck. And it's a shame that somebody screwed it up already. There's a lot of them that are brand new that are here. Door handle's missing. But, you know, if it doesn't have frame damage, you know, they said, I guess it does. You know, if you can fix it, it's a nice truck to have. The mileage is barely anything on it. And yeah, I think this is what an Audi or Mercedes. It's a Mercedes. Yeah, C300. Right here. 2016, 101,000 miles. Yeah, this car's toast. Yeah, I mean it's all pushed in. Another Hyundai here. Volkswagen. 2019, 2,297 miles. No keys with a question mark. So there's the front end. Okay, I don't know if it's recovered theft, because it doesn't. I mean, there's a little bit of bending there. Yeah, the airbags have gone down. Can't open it, or can I? Yeah, I can. It's just the window went down a little bit. Oh yeah, all the airbags went off. A big screen right there. Yeah, side curtain down both sides. Side seat airbag, dashboard. Yeah, stick shift. I'm sure it's a fun car to drive. GTI. Yeah, 2019 Malibu. I don't want to know what happened to this little car. Got the tires up into the driver's floorboard. More Ford Ranger. That looks like a rollover. And it doesn't have a biohazard on it. That'd be surprising. I don't see one, but I'm going to check anyways.